Hi, my name is Samuel Braun, and I'm a professional commodity trader at Bloomberg. In the past 20 years, I tried hundreds of different trading strategies that promised success, but most of them were either too optimistic or too complex to follow for a semi-experienced trader. So two of my colleagues from Bloomberg and I decided to formulate a strategy based on our collective experience. Our research has shown that Bitcoin is the most promising trading asset, as it's the easiest to predict and exerts high volatility. As a result, we created an outstanding coin trade strategy for binary options. Since the creation of the coin trade strategy in 2012, I left Bloomberg to concentrate on our invention. It could sound crazy to some of you, but in the last 3 years, I made just under a staggering $1.2 million using the coin trade strategy. The longer I use the strategy, the more efficient trader I become. In 2015 alone, I made just over $500,000. My dreams of buying a new house, a Porsche 911, and traveling around the world are now reality. I am happier now than ever before in my life. Now that I made my dreams come true, I've decided to share this unlimited source of money with the world and share the knowledge and wealth I've come to enjoy. I began sharing this knowledge with family and friends, and now my brother-in-law Marcus and best friend Sebastian both focus on online trading as their primary source of income. So listen carefully and embark on this life-changing experience. But before we start with the coin trade strategy, let me explain how binary options work as an investment mechanism. Binary option trading is a lot like regular stock or commodity trading. Assets are bought and then sold with the intention of turning a profit on the sale. Yet there is one major difference between binary option trading and regular trading. Traditional binary options trading is a simplified form of trading because it provides the trader with only two possible options. The trader must simply predict whether the value of an exchange rate, stock, or commodity will go up or down in the time frame he chooses. The trader chooses whether the value of an exchange rate or a stock will go up or down and sets the time frame in which he expects this change to take place. It could be any asset from Bitcoin to Apple stock. The price direction of an asset after the specified expiry time will determine whether the trader has made profit or a loss. To illustrate how easy it is, look at my results after just 2.5 hours of trading. I made 6 Bitcoins in 2.5 hours. Now, let's see how we can use the coin trade strategy to our advantage. The general rule of the coin trade strategy stipulates that you should be very selective with your investments. You should only choose options that are very likely to finish either above or below their current value. The coin trade methodology helps you determine market direction by identifying two key market conditions. According to our research, when these two conditions occur at the same time, the trader has up to 74% probability of determining the correct market direction. To meet the first condition, find an option currently below its average value for at least one period of your preferred time frame. For example, if you want to open a 15-minute trade, make sure the option is below the average for at least the previous 15 minutes. In this example of the Bitcoin-Euro binary option pair, we can see option's value is currently lower than it has been for the current period of time on the graph, indicating that the option meets the first condition. The second condition requires us to identify whether the majority of traders are choosing the call position for this pair on the trader's choice indicator for the option. As seen from my example, 65% of traders have chosen the call option in relation to this pair. When you find an option meeting these two conditions, you are well set for successful trading. As previously mentioned, our research has shown when these two events occur simultaneously, there is up to 74% probability the pair in question will finish above its current value in the chosen expiry time frame. This is your call to action to invest in this option. Like any mathematical equation, the opposite also holds true. So just as the first two market conditions provide an excellent opportunity to select call, the exact opposite market conditions provide an opportunity to select put. When you identify an option value currently above the average of the current time period and the majority of traders are choosing put, you should consider investing in this option, as odds are in your favor. So here it is. You are now in possession of unlimited source of money that took us years to develop and prove. Use it wisely and make your dreams come true. Now, in order to get started trading, I recommend using BitPlutos platform, which I use myself. First, it's the only binary options platform that uses Bitcoin. And secondly, it is the most sophisticated and user-friendly trading platform of the many I've experienced. To get started trading today, go to the BitPlutos website, www.bitplutos.com. Create a free, anonymous account and start trading within minutes. Good luck! However, you won't be needing it anymore as long as you stick to the coin trade strategy.